Okay, this is my newer version of the Dodge Charger. I got rid of the aerodynamics package. I added on a little tether to the trunk. I put an air filter in the car engine. And I added rims, as you can see. And I didn't have a matching rim for that. Okay, so I took off the point front, and that's really all. Okay, that ended in disaster, but as you can see, the car is in many pieces. Yeah, its hood trunk came open, and the seat went forward. Okay, resetting for test number 2. Okay, so that is the end of my crash test video.